graph by hand. F of x equals x squared minus x over x plus 1. So to find the domain, take the x plus 1 equal to 0, so x cannot equal negative 1. So our domain is negative infinity to negative 1, union negative 1 to infinity. For the horizontal or slant asymptote, we see that our degree is bigger in the numerator than it is on the denominator. So this means that we will have a slant asymptote. So when we divide x squared minus x by x plus 1, goes to x minus 2x, so minus 2. So our slant occurs at the line y equals x minus 2. So that means we have a y-intercept of negative 2, up 1, right 1. So I'm going to use my dashed line. Okay, so now we need to reduce. We start with x squared minus x, or x plus 1, goes to x times x minus 1 over x plus 1. Our vertical asymptote occurs where the denominator is equal to 0, so x equals negative 1. Negative 1, not positive. X-intercept occurs at 0. The y-intercept, if we go f of 0, goes to 0 over 1, so it does not exist. Oh, I'm sorry. 0 over 1 is 0. Duh. We already have that. Okay. So our quadrants are divided up a little bit differently. It's going to be an angled one and opposite that. So when we make our table, we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. If we plug in 1, it goes 0 over 1, which is 0. So 0.10. If we go 2, we go 4 minus 2. So that's 2 over 3. So our next one is 2/3. Up next we have 3, so it will go to 6 over 4, which is 1.5. So what you're going to see this graph do, so I'll get really close to the asymptote, down and around. It'll hug the asymptotes. Our second table, -2, -3, -4. So -2 will go 6 over -1, which is -6. So -2, -6. -3 will also go to negative 6. And negative 4 will go to negative 6.6. So it's also hugging the asymptotes. Oops, that was a bad one.